Hello students, today will we discuss about character of Mirabel. Okay. Hero. The restoration comedies are the representation of upper class aristocratic fashionable society who have nothing to do in their life except lovemaking, flirting and intriguing. They are careless to any social or moral code, and hence their behavior and conduct is quite uncontrolled. They have their own norms of life and they believe in complete lawlessness. This is why the characters of these restoration comedies or the comedies of manners are fopes, dandies, butterflies, and women and men of loose morals. Okay. However, as a typical comedy of manners, the way of the world has a quite distinct place since, in spite of all the foppery and coquettish women, the decency has been maintained from this point of view. If we judge the character of Mirabel, the hero of his comedy, he is certainly brighter in the host of the vulgars like Petulant and Witwoud. To some extent, only Sir Witwoud can compare vulgars like Pent with him. Okay, first the hero aristocrat enjoy. To some, this is so great an aim of his life that for it he can adopt any means. He can profess love to old Lady Wishford to continue his love affair with her niece. He is undoubtedly intelligent and witty, but his wit is on a lower plane and his personal character. He is much inferior to his beloved Millamant, who practically dominates him. She is very well conscious of his fact, and this is why she puts her own conditions of life before giving consent for marriage. But Mirabel is neither stupid nor a fool. She is certainly clever in another way. He is wise enough to overcome all the obstacles quite successfully in the path of his love, and at the same time comes forward to help his greatest enemy, Lady Wishford, at a critical moment. In spite of the fact that she is the only obstacle in his love with Millamant. This makes his character noble and bright in our eyes. Next, a remarkable character. He is a remarkable character in another way. He enjoys life and lives happily without any anger or jealousy against anybody. Whatever he does, he is quite calculated and he knows that he will not fail. But there is not grain of ill will anywhere. Mrs. Marwood, though in love with him, is conspiring against him and is instrumental in widening the gap between him and Lady Wishford. But Mirabel now here expresses any anger against her also. He takes Wishford, but Mirabel now here expresses any anger against her also. He takes life easy. It is wisdom that he contrives to overcome all the barriers which Lady Wishfort of Mrs. Marwood have built up to thwart his purpose in winning Millamant. Next, intelligence. In the very beginning of the play, we are magically influenced by his wisdom and foresightedness. He is a great reader of characters and has the power to understand the inherent characteristics of everybody. He can overcome every difficulty in a normal way. He has illicit relations with Mrs. Fennel, the daughter of Lady Wishfort, for a very long time, much before she is married. She becomes pregnant and Mirabelle at once contrives her marriage with Fennel. He knows well that Fennel is greedy for money and so he readily agrees for marriage. He plans to fool Lady Wishfort by inventing the character Sir Roland, his faint uncle. He knows that Lady Wishfort is very lusty and she is looking for a husband, so he conspires to disguise his servant Wedwell as his uncle. Sir Roland visits Lady Wishfort and court her, but he also realizes that Whitwell is not a gentleman and that he can deceive him any moment. So in order to avoid any undesirable situation, next is lover. As lover, in the bargaining scene with Millamant, he is equally great and does not come out second to anybody. This scene in which he makes counter conditions to Millamant's presents the most brilliant dialogue in the play, perhaps in all restoration comedy, and fully establishes Mirabelle's claim to be considered a man of wit. His conditions are essentially masculine in the words of Mr. Holland. Millamant's wit is frankly sexual. The wit of Mirabelle is predominantly judicial, that of Millamant's fanciful. However, there is some aloofness in the character of Mirabelle. He associates with Fennel. He exercises scoffing wit with Pentland and Witwoud. He keeps his appearance of friendship with Fennel, but he is also aware that Fennel belongs to the other camp. As distinguished from Witwoud and Pentland, he has a serious purpose in life. Okay. Next, Millamant's wit is frankly sexual. He associates with Fennel. He exercises scoffing wit with Pentland and Witwoud. He keeps his appearance of friendship with Fennel, but is also aware that Fennel belongs to the other camp. As for this purpose, he may well resort to any trick to win his love. Okay. It was the routine of all the members of this fashionable class, yet he has a good, generous heart and saves the estate of Mrs. Fennel from the clutches of her vicious husband. He is a likable fellow and Millamant may be congratulated on her choice of him. Millamant gives him credit for consistency in love when Mrs. Marwood probes into her feeling for Mirabelle. Okay. Last है transformation. Compared to Mirabelle in character, Forsyth Wadley is the typical restoration gallant, unprincipled and immoral, whereas Millamant, despite her love for fashion and desire for admiration, is essentially Millamant, despite her love for fashion and desire for admiration, is essentially virtuous. So, far as morals are concerned, Mirabelle is as immoral as Fanon. He had adulterous relations with Mrs. Fanon. What we must remember that Mirabelle's immorality was approved by the Restoration Social Code, which winked at the seductions of widows. Moreover, Mirabelle shows that he can reform himself, while others like Fanon are most degraded in comparison with him. If we judge Mirabelle's character more seriously, we will find that Mirabelle is much too serious for a lover. He misunderstands her affectionate teasing, and she is driven into making a cancerous remark. Sententious Mirabelle, Prithee, don't look with that violent and inflexible wise face. If Millamant is an incarnation of wit and happiness, Mirabelle is that of practically, and then the two of them make a matchless pair. It has been said about Mirabelle that he is the restoration rake in the process of being transformed into a wit of the age of sense and sensibility.